Hi friends, let me show you this slow dog feeder puzzle toy. Well, it looks nice. It has these plastic legs, so it will get a good grip wherever you put it. It won't move, so your pets will be able to use it. And it has two levels of difficulty or use. First, your dog, you will put the prices or the food in each of these compartments, and your pet, will learn to find it in every compartment. But then, when your pet gets more used to it, you will get this lid off, and you can put the food here. So your dog has to, turn it a little bit, so the food will drop to each of the compartments. So, well, you get the full user manual and instructions on how to train your pet to find the food, train your dog to find the food, and of course, you will have a lot of fun, a lot of playtime for your dog, and your dog will learn new things. So that's good for him also. So he has more activity, mental and physical activity. Okay, so let's try it with my pet. Stage 1 of training, you will put the food or the treats inside these capsules, and you will help your pet to understand that they are there. Okay, he knows what's there. Now we want to tell him how to get them. Milo. Okay, in step 1, okay, he's doing it even without training. That's great. He knows now that if he opens the yellow doors, maybe there's a prize. Abre una nomás. Okay, we're going to put some more here, and okay, so that's level 1 of training. So they are able to open the doors for themselves. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, Milo. And in level 2, you put the prices or the food here. And they have to move it around, and then they'll find the prices there. Milo. Ven, aquí. Perfect. So you have to train your dogs in a few days, so they know that they have to open the yellow doors, and also that they can turn this part and get more prizes in every yellow door. Okay, thank you.